So jumping right into this video, these are the products that I am going to be using to do all 5 of these hairstyles today. While I'm here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Okay, so getting started, we're gonna go from the simplest hairstyles to the hardest hairstyles. My most simple hairstyle is going to be my Wednesdays, as I call them. I did get a little hair prep in before, just so you make sure your hair is moisturized during these styles. But basically what you are going to do is just split your hair down the middle, and then you are going to take both sides and put them up in, I use scrunchies just to protect my hair, but you're just gonna do one at the top. We're gonna do the same thing to the bottom section of that same piece of hair. And it's gonna give you this cute little bubble braid. It's super simple, it's really not that damaging on your hair, and if you want to stretch your hair out to do some of these hairstyles later on, it's perfect for that. But this is going to be the first look. It's real cute, fun, nice little back to school moment. So next we are going to get into the infamous half up, half down, but with a twist. So you're gonna start off by parting these front sections of your hair. Again, I'm using a scrunchie to keep my hair out of my face because I be grabbing pieces of hair and then the sections just be looking kind of off. After we do this, we're gonna take our bristle brush and we are going to just smooth out the front pieces of the hair. If you want to, this would be the time that you would do your edges as well. And then just take a elastic and make sure you secure those 2 front pieces in the back of your head. Then you're going to go and make a little triangle section part at the top, and not grabbing too much hair, just kind of like the rest of the crown section of your head. And you are going to get another scrunchie or an elastic or whatever and put those 2 pieces up. While doing this, make sure that you grab out a little section in the very middle piece of your hair, as you can see, and you're going to leave those 2 sections out. It's going to give it a cute little not bang moment, but a little curly girl moment hanging out at the end. And then super simple style, this is gonna be it. Super cute, super fun, super fresh. Next, we are going to be moving on into our sophisticated girly. You can take the exact same sections that you did from the last hairstyle, but you are going to grab the top half of the hair this time. So you're going to go in and grab more pieces of hair, just kind of splitting it in the middle of your head. And then we are going to grab one of our ouchless elastics. I didn't use a scrunchie for this one because you needed to use an elastic just to give it a little more secure hold, and the scrunchie would get in the way. And then you're just going to basically twist that little section up that we used and add a claw clamp to it in the back. This one is super trendy right now, and it's really simple, like I showed you guys. And then the curlies in the front give it a little bit of a pop. So here is this style. She's actually one of my favorites. I love her. So next we're going to get into a more complex girly. Let me tell you, I had to do this style 3 times before I got it, but it's actually a lot simpler than you think. So you're basically going to go and part out the front half of your section, or front half of your hair, and then put that up into a ponytail at the top of your head. And then you're going to go into the next section and make a triangular part with a little bit of hair. I grabbed too much hair, which is why this section's so small, but a little smaller section. And then you're going to use that to cross over, and it's going to give you this fake kind of bang look. And I bobby pin them, but it'd be better if you use an elastic at the bottom. And then here is she. Again, use some gel for the top half so it stays down. We're gonna get into my favorite style. She does look a lot more complicated than she is, but it's actually pretty simple. You're gonna part these squares in the top half of your head. I did the parts kind of where my edge line stops, and then you're going to take those and then split those down the middle, and then take those sections and split those down the middle, and it's going to basically give you this boxed out 4 sections of hair. You're going to tie the front 2 sections with elastics by themselves, as you can see. You're gonna do that for both of the front pieces and leave those 2 back pieces. And then after we do that, we are going to twist in the direction of a rope and then go across our head in a diagonal and group that piece with the back section, and then secure that with the elastic using having both pieces of hair in your hand. And after you do this, going to do that same thing for the other side. As you can see, going through and I'm defining the little pieces that are in the ponytails, and then you're going to do the exact same thing to the other section that you parted out earlier, making the 4-box cross and securing the elastics in the front, and then securing those pieces with the elastics in the back in a diagonal. I'm also watching American Horror Story in the background, so. And then after you do that, you're gonna get this cute little 4-cross X, and then this is the time when I go in and I do my edges, and this is what the style is gonna look like. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here are all 5 of the styles. Let me know which one that you like the best, and tag me in y'all's Instagram photos. That's gonna be all for this video, and thank you guys so much. Bye.